Well, hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the part 2 of this particular clean out series. I am trying my best to show everything, but I don't have somebody to film me. None of them complaining, just letting you guys know. So, first, let's do some work and then let us get back to the cleaning. All done. इसको हम रखते हैं साइड पे. There is a lot of kachra. Emptied this one out. Good moisturizer but a lot of fragrance, and I think that also contributed to my breakouts because ये बहुत lightweight है तो मैं ये use कर रही थी, and I think this should be a troublemaker for all those who are having sensitive skin. Keeps my skin moisturized for a long time. I wish they remove fragrance from it. I did pick up some products from Deconstruct. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but did pick them up. I've been trying them out for a long time. आधा bottle मैंने खाली कर दिया, if you can see. Actually wanted a backup of this particular product. As you can see, बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है. इसका बैकअप लेना था, but मैंने बहुत सारे products ले लिए, including a sunscreen. I've been trying it out. I will be sharing a review with you guys very soon. So wait for that. So I keep all my medicines over here because this is where I am working a lot. The reason why I keep sanitizer at my desk is to clean my makeup and products, because बहुत ज़्यादा हाथ टच करते हैं and you don't know कि कहाँ you know your hands will be like makeup लगता है सब कुछ. So just clean my stuff that way, keeps everything sanitized. Wash and Lom, अंधे लोगों का जल. दिल ने ये कहा है दिल से. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ. ओके, अब जो है ना, इसको हमको सॉर्ट करना पड़ेगी.
I have so many new brushes from Custom Lashes that I need to try out. यहाँ पे धूल जमी है.
Don't know what to do. This is my favorite lip serum. This is from NY Bay, Caramel Cashew. The only product that I like from NY Bay. Sorry, but not sorry. You know what? I'm gonna keep my brushes over here. I'm always crying that I don't have brushes, and clearly the brushes that
Just want to pull it, maybe the fuller eyebrushes in this side. Lashes, in this side. The two sets, like one is the black set and then the blue set. Blue set is exclusively eyebrow brushes only. Then you use my eyelash.
Luna store was the first ever brush set I bought, and I've used it for quite a long time. These are some paint brushes that I bought for eyeliner looks, but I never bought the thing that I wanted to. This set from Mars is my most favorite set. This was from Minnesota. I hate it a lot, but I've kept it. I don't know if I should be decluttering this. The ones from Plume were good, but there was some quality issues with these. मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रशेस को फेविक्विक से जोड़ के लगाया है, but the bristles were good. I like this brush set from this is Pro Art. This F0 brush, F04 brush from Swiss Beauty is one of the best. I use it a lot. Throwing this one. Can you see I have glued this one again from Plume, which is now Prosh. Now I don't know what you use this for. Like, can you somebody tell me? This is so darn good, so darn good. Mars travel brush. Everybody loves it, but I got such a defective piece, broke, and look at the shape of the bristles. I don't like this one. This is one of the best brushes from Plume or Prosh, now that you call it as Prosh. Very good to blend darker eyeshadows to give a smoky effect. So this is all the brushes that I own, and they look much organized right now. I've kept cuffs and lashes separately, like cuffs and lashes is separate. There's some more space if I want to. These are the other brushes that I own, and these are some of the other brush sets. These are all the eyeliners, kajals, and here I've kept extra accessories like eyelash glue, glitter glue, and glitter applicator, and then my brow products because I don't have many, so I've just kept these three over here, and then we're back to where we started from. So this looks much cleaner, and I am decluttering all of these brushes. These brushes set from I got from I would like to say Westside, but I don't use this at all, and it's just taking up extra space. I will give it to somebody who can make use of this. Really forgot I have to keep these highlighter holographic eyeliners, so I will add it here. So all my liners are in place, and now I'll move this over here, keep my sponges over here so I can make use of them, and then we will start clearing this whole 9 yards. There are more eyeliners I can add over here. I'm gonna keep all my sunscreen in this. Ordered some chicken. We'll wash that in a minute. ये ईद का शीर खुरमा है एंड मैंने इसे गर्म कर दिया था सो दैट इट डजंट गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड. Now I'm waiting for my husband to get up. I want to drink coffee. Actually, I am not a coffee person, nor a tea person, nor any person. But आज बहुत मन कर रहा है and I'm waiting for him to get up so I can have coffee. I feel like he makes the most mean yum coffee and he thinks I make the most yum coffee. So I want to drink his हाथ की बनी हुई coffee. So let's wait. Let's wait for that. Also, the kitchen is a mess. That entire thing, vessels have to be washed, waiting for the maid to come. She might be here any minute. अभी 3 होने को हैं. She comes usually at 4 o'clock. So waiting on that. This is how my coffee table looks like at the moment. Very aesthetic, beautiful. We don't have a fan over here because the ceiling is very short, so we have a standing fan here, so that's why you see that. This is mom's account, but also the other day I went to home center and I got this one. It's taped up right now. The shape is like this. I was actually looking at it on Amazon, the same one, and it's 999 rupees and discount जाके 874 था Amazon पे, but मुझे home center में ये 510 रुपीज़ को मिल गया था. तो आई वॉज लाइक येस आई नीड इट. अभी मेरा बेकिंग कुकिंग का सीज़न चल रहा है तो आई थॉट दिस विल कम इन हैंडी एंड केप्ट इट. रमज़ान में खाना एक्सचेंज हो रहा था. आधे मेरे बर्तन उनके घर पे हैं और उनके थोड़े बर्तन यहाँ पे हैं. एनी हू सी. That is all the shopping that I have done so far. I am waiting on the shoe rack. We also placed an order for our sofa, which should come in a week's time. So, fingers crossed. I hope it turns out the exact way we want it to. So, waiting on that. That is all for the updates right now. I'll catch up with you guys when I do something interesting. Just had my lunch, so I'm feeling like I need to sleep again, but I have slept enough and I need to sleep in the night, so now I'm not gonna sleep. Okay, Saher is not gonna sleep. It's windy today. I hope it rains. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to send his rahmat. It's too much right now. Allah Mia, please send summer rain for 3 days, 4 days. Yeah, 4 days is enough. Please. Also, you guys, मेरा जो मिक्सर का जार था इसका कैप पूरा टूट चुका है. आज मैं सुबह चटनी बना रही थी डोसे के लिए एंड ये जो ब्लास्ट आउट हुआ है ना, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. तो इसको हम फेंकने वाले हैं. हमने नया लिया है जार एंड आई विल बी शोइंग यू दैट आई हैव अ येलो mixer grinder with a blue jar. It looks very funny and comical.